So could SEO be dead as we know it? You know, the search engine landscape is changing so much, especially if the new search age belongs to AI. And if your brand is optimized for generative AI, you may be falling behind. GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization, is the new way your content is seen by the AI-powered search results. Unlike traditional SEO, GEO ensures that your brand is featured in AI-generated responses, not just a bunch of links. It starts with understanding AI-driven search engines and what they prioritize first: fast, relevant, and contextual answers. Optimizing for GEO means focusing on keyword intent, structuring your content for AI, and ensuring your brand's authority is recognized by these intelligent systems. Brands that embrace GEO will be the first answers users are going to see in the future. And those that don't, they're going to be invisible. GEO isn't just about keywords, it's about structuring your content in a way that AI understands it. That means clear, direct answers, engaging visuals, and data that AI platforms trust. You're going to be the ones that are ahead. And with AI-driven search expanding across chatbots, voice assistants, and visual search, GEO is going to ensure that your brand stays visible everywhere users are looking. You know, the future of AI is changing our environment completely. And over the next 5 to 10 years, the search engine landscape will be completely different than it is now. So get on board with GEO and stay ahead of the competition. Follow and subscribe today, and we'll see you on the next video.